So guys, today we're going to a store. I think it's Target or something. Right, Bianca? We're going to Target.
Yeah, I'm going to Target.
So we're gonna drive there because we just got our license. Yeah. You wanna?
So let's start driving.
Yeah. All right. You wanna go get some like food first?
Yeah, sure. Let's go
Yeah.
get some food.
Cool. Wait, is that a car coming? You should like swerve out of the lane. Oh no!
Hi. So I'm going to show you how to properly put on a seatbelt. So you take it and you drag it across your body and put it in the thing right here. And then you need to make sure that it goes across your chest, but it doesn't bother or irritate your neck, because then you can choke and die in a crash. And it also goes across your waist. Yep, that's a safe way to sort of prevent crashes and injuries. Wear a seatbelt. Save a life.